There are three main types of earthquakes, and they're based on how the ground moves. First, a normal fault happens when the crust is pulled apart and the hanging wall block slides down. Second, a reverse fault happens when the crust is squeezed together, pushing the hanging wall block up and over. And third, the strike-slip fault, where the blocks slide sideways past each other instead of moving up or down. This last type, the strike-slip, is what struck Bogo, Cebu, shifting the land side to side along a fault line.